session. Then I'll share my screen. I'll share my entire screen. Well, so we'll move to the presentation. Okay. So in last session, what we have discussed the various operators in Python. Okay, what are the operators available in Python? First, we've seen about arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are nothing but plus, minus, star, division, modulus, then floor division, then exponent. Okay. So then relational operators are less than, greater than, equal to, double equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Then we have seen relational operators are also called as comparison operators. Then we have seen assignment operators, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, greater than equal to, less than. So likewise, we have seen assignment operators. Then identity operator is not, then membership operator in and not in. Okay. So in this session, we discuss about various decision making statements that are available in Python. Okay. First one is if statement. Second one is if else statement. Third one is nested if statement. Fourth one is if else. We'll see by one. If statement. If statement is nothing but it executes only one block. If statement has only one block, that is nothing but true block. It doesn't have false block. If condition is true, if block will be executed. If condition is false, it doesn't print anything. Okay, the syntax. See the syntax. If you have to write the condition, then you have to colon. Colon is mainly used for the purpose of indentation. We have seen indentation in unit 2. Indentation is nothing but what do you mean by indentation? You're giving some white spaces at the beginning of the line. So indentation is nothing but you're giving some white spaces at the beginning of the line. Okay. Then see the example. I'm taking the value of x equal to 10. If 10 is greater than 5, this x greater than 5 will be printed, else nothing will be printed. A simple example. Then another example to check whether the number is even number or not. So if the value of num is 2, you get the remainder 0. Then this particular print statement will be executed. Okay, this particular print statement will be executed. For example, if you give the value 3 modulo 2, it will get some another remainder other than 0. So it will be an odd number. So there is no block for odd number. So it doesn't print anything. Then if else statement. If else statement has two blocks. One is if block and another one is else block. If block for true condition, else block for false condition. Okay. See the example y equal to 3. 3 greater than 5, if part will be executed. Else not true means else part will be executed. Then a simple example for voting. If your age is greater than or equal to 8, you are eligible to vote. Else, you are not eligible to vote. Sorry, you have to wait. Then if else statement. Elif statement consists of one if block and one else block. Okay, this is the rule: one if block and one else block. But it may contain multiple elif blocks. It may contain multiple elif blocks. Okay, so if block is true means that particular block will be executed, and any one of the elif block is true means that particular elif block will be executed. Then if none of it is true means else part will be executed. It checks for multiple conditions. Okay, which one? If elif statement checks for multiple conditions depending upon true condition among them. Okay, then this example for elif block. Okay, so if elif else, if 7 greater than 10 is false, 7 greater than 5 it is true. So z is greater than 5 but smaller than 10. That particular block will be executed. The nested conditionals. Nested conditionals means it is mainly used to check complex conditionals. Okay. For example, if a greater than 10, a greater than a less than 20. Nested conditionals means one if inside you have another if statement. One if statement, inside the if statement you have another if statement. Okay. So first it checks for 15 greater than 10. This is true. The next if 15 less than 10. Both are true. Upon the output is a greater than 10 and less than 20. Okay. We'll continue the next topic. That is the looping statements in the next session. Thanks for watching.